నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. నేను సౌజన్య. సో జనరల్గా కన్ను కొట్టడం అందరూ చేస్తారు, కానీ ఒకరు కన్ను కొట్టడం మాత్రం దేశవ్యాప్తంగా సెన్సేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది. తర్వాత కొన్ని కేసులకు కూడా దారితీసింది. బట్ తను మాత్రం ఆ వింక్ గర్ల్ మాత్రం తనకి తాను చక్కగా సినిమాలు చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో మీకు అర్థమైపోయే ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎవరి గురించి చెప్పాను. సో వింక్ గర్ల్ అనగానే మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో షీఈస్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్. సో ఇప్పుడు తను మనతోనే ఉన్నారు. అస్సలు నేనైతే లేట్ చేయను, మాట్లాడిసేస్తా. హలో,
హాయ్.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు ప్రియా?
చాలా బాగుంది.
చాలా బాగున్నాను.
చాలా బాగున్నా.
సూపర్. అసలు బాగా నేర్చేసుకుంటున్నారు తెలుగు, రైట్?
నేర్చుకున్నాను కొంచెం కొంచెం.
సూన్ విల్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ లైక్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడేసేస్తారు ఫ్లూయెంట్లీ. సో యు ఆర్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు
ఐఎమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ నౌ. కొంచెం కొంచెం ట్రై చేస్తాను.
కొంచెం కొంచెం లిటిల్ బిట్. సో యా, ఓరు అడర్ లవ్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్. సో మలయాళం ఫిల్మ్ తెలుగులో డబ్ అయింది లవర్స్ డేగా. సో ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ యూ కేమ్ ఫర్ ప్రమోషన్స్, రైట్? నౌ యూ కేమ్ ఫర్ షూటింగ్. సో హౌ యూ ఫీలింగ్?
Actually, Hyderabad has become like a second home for me because I come here very often. I keep traveling back and forth, Kerala, Hyderabad, for meetings, discussions, shoots. Now promotions also happening, and again for my release I'll come. So yeah, this is like become like a second home.
Second home. Yeah. That's great. So first home akkada manchiga unda? Is everything good?
All good right now. I mean, COVID cases are still there, okay. But as you all know, Kerala has been like very strict about all the rules and regulations post COVID.
Yeah.
So yeah, coming back to normal, I don't think, but it's as normal as Hyderabad or any other place, because people are still a little scared and tends to go out, even like theaters and all. People, families have that inhibition to like go to the theaters and all that. But yeah, slowly coming back to it.
యా. సో మీకేమైనా అనిపిస్తుందా టెన్స్ లాగా? బికాజ్ ఆడియన్స్ అందరూ థియేటర్కి వస్తారా, ఫిల్మ్ చూస్తారా లేదా అని చెప్పి, డూ యూ ఫీల్ ఎనీ టెన్స్ అబౌట్ ఇట్?
Actually, I don't have any like tension regarding Hyderabad audience because I know how much they love cinema and the craze that they have. So I don't have that tension here. But definitely, I went for a couple of movies in Kerala and I watched it in the theaters, and there was like very limited crowd. Okay. So definitely Kerala is only getting back to it, but Hyderabad, I'm sure they're like super, the level of craze that they have for cinema is
cinema lovers. Exactly. So first time you acted in a Telugu straight film. So how you feeling?
Chala santoshanga undi. Because I got a very grand launch. It's a Chandu sir movie, Nitin, Rakul Preet, a lot of people are there. So I think I'm very blessed to have such a grand launch in the Telugu industry. So yeah, I'm really excited. At the same time, I'm feeling a little tense because I know that people have certain expectations from me, and I just hope that I'll be able to live up to that expectation.
Exactly, there are so much of audience, especially your fans are waited for you. So you should satisfy them, right?
Exactly. So the expectation that they have from me, when they hear my name, I'm sure they have certain expectation from me. So I just hope they like it.
Really? Okay. So are you satisfied with this project?
Definitely. As I said, I couldn't have asked for a better project to start off with. I have worked with a brilliant director, a big banner, and then a big hero. I don't think I could have asked for a better launch.
Exactly. So I think don't even expect at your beginning stage like this much of fan following and all these grand launches, etc., etc., right?
Actually, even that small scene when it went that viral, I didn't know why that happened. Definitely I didn't expect it before. Whenever my crew members, they would tell me, we watched that scene, it's really cute and we think people are going to like it and this is going to be another sensation and all that. I was saying, okay, we'll see. I had never seen that scene before.
Okay.
I had not watched the song before. So I remember waiting for the song to come out, and I was I was watching it on YouTube and I was waiting, where's my scene, it'll come now, And then I
Okay.
saw my scene for 10 seconds and I'm like, oh, I'm happy. Like,
Only 10 seconds there.
I was actually happy to see
Oh,
myself. I'm
okay.
like, oh, finally I've come somewhere. My face has come somewhere. So I was actually happy. But then I didn't expect it to, blow up so much. And later on, whatever happened, I was, thinking, what happened? What just happened? I can't understand what is going on around me.
Yeah, exactly. But with that film only, you got a huge fan following and etc. Like crush, anything.
Yeah.
But the film, when coming to commercial success, commercial hit, but it didn't reach up to the mark, right? So, as of you, what may be the reason?
Because I think we all got a little deviated because of the, because of the tiny thing going so viral. We all
Exactly.
got so deviated that the movie came after 1.5 years of wait. And I think that wait caused a lot of, expectation to build up, because 1.5 years of waiting. I'm sure the audience had some next level expectation from the movie, and we started off as a very small, very normal school time story. So that expectation, I'm definitely sure that it built up in the 1.5 years time, and also we all got deviated from the entire movie. We started like promoting, and we started traveling, events and everything. So everybody got deviated from the main cause of making that movie. So I think maybe that's why.
Exactly. So now you acted in a Telugu film. So Chandrasekhar Yeleti is a director. So what's your opinion? What's your working experience with him?
He's, as I told you earlier, he's a brilliant director. And initially, I was very tensed because I'm going to be starting off with such a senior director, and so much I've heard about him, and he has won a lot of awards and everything. So, and I've also heard that his style of filmmaking is very different from the usual commercial movies that we see. So I was initially very tensed about it, but then later on we all got very comfortable with each other, and he also like looked at me like that, small child. So I got that special consideration also, because I'm only starting off. So like he made everything to like feel us very chilled and cool.
Before he did a film like Manamanta, I think you knew
This
that
Mayam.
Malayala superstar Mohanlal
Mohanlal, yeah.
acted in there. So ఆయన గురించి సో మోహన్ లాల్ గారితో చంద్రశేఖర్ ఎలటి గారు మూవీ చేశారు కాబట్టి సో ఆ మూవీ మీరు ఇంతకు ముందే చూసేసారా?
Yeah, I have watched Vismayam. That is
Okay.
Manamanta. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Lalatin. That is Mohanlal. So definitely, working. That's why I said working with a very senior director like that.
Okay.
And I'm only starting off. Not just senior director, I have like really experienced actors also playing as my co-stars. So yeah, it was a little bit of a, I had a little bit of nervousness in the beginning, but then all of them were so supportive and chill, so we got comfortable later.
ఓకే. సో మీ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే కొన్ని ఫిల్మ్స్ చేశారు ఆల్రెడీ. కన్నడలో ఒక ఫిల్మ్ అండ్ హిందీలో డెబ్యూ ఫిల్మ్ చేశారు. అయితే కొన్ని కేసెస్కి కూడా దారి తీసాయి కొన్ని ఫిల్మ్స్. సో అలాంటి టైంలో హవ్ యూ ఫెల్ట్?
Actually, obviously, no one would, consciously want that their movies get into controversies or cases. But then, definitely, I think it was a sensitive subject, and but I was not affected by it in any ways, because it was the directors and producers look out to, whatever, solve it or do whatever around it. I was never personally affected, or I also got to know about these only during some news would come out. That's when I also would get to know about it. So I'll be like, oh, this happened, because I wouldn't know. When someone asks me or someone tells me this happened, I'm like, oh, okay, I'm not aware of it. So it didn't affect me much.
సో నితిన్ కమింగ్ టు, సో వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ నితిన్?
With him, definitely, we both had very limited days of, combination shots and all
Okay.
that. So I think first schedule I shot for 10 days and then 2 days of song shoot we had in Goa. So he used to be in his zone always. So because his character is very different from what he usually plays. So he was always in that character zone, and he used to be very calm and focused on his work. Even I used to be very, I couldn't I'm usually this person who goes around and mingles with everyone and who's always jumping around the sets, but this time I couldn't because I was a little scared of Chandu sir in the beginning, obviously, because
he's a senior.
he's the senior director and he always has this neutral face, so I was a little scared in the beginning.
Yeah.
So every day what happens was Nitin used to be like very focused and he used to be in his zone, and I used to be in my zone where I have to learn all my dialogues.
Okay.
So I used to be super focused in that because I had a couple of dialogues, which was big and everything.
And there is a language barrier.
Exactly. So it's not a language that I was comfortable with. So I had to learn the dialogues. I had to make sure I knew the meaning so that I could emote.
Exactly.
And yeah, so all of us were in our own zones, but while shooting, if something goes wrong or if I make a mistake, we would crack a joke and everybody would laugh.
Yeah. So ఇంతకు ముందు చూసారా నితిన్ గారి ఫిల్మ్స్ ఏమైనా మీరు have you seen before?
Actually, before I watched a lot of his songs. So the thing is, Telugu movies get dubbed in Malayalam. So you watch. From childhood I've watched a lot of Telugu movies in Malayalam.
Okay.
So I have watched a lot of Nitin's songs on YouTube because I've heard that he is an amazing dancer.
Yeah.
So at that point of time, when Chandu sir told me about my character and everything, he told me that there's going to be a song for both of you, and we'll do it in initially the idea was to do it in a CG setup, something different. So he was like, you might have to dance and all. So that got me a little tensed because I've heard that Nitin is an amazing dancer.
But you too, right? You're a classical dancer and
I can only manage to dance.
oh.
So if I have enough practice, I can do it. But then I am not very confident.
Okay.
So at least I was not very confident back then.
Okay.
So I watched a lot of his, songs on YouTube, the way he dances and all that. And I was like, oh my God, he's a really good dancer. We'll have to do something about it. So post that, my shooting and all that, I watched Bhishma.
Yeah.
And because recently only I started following Telugu movies. Once I started working. That's only when I started watching Telugu movies in Telugu. That is the language. Otherwise I used to watch dubbed movies and
Of
all.
course. Already you have seen that.
Yeah. So now is when I actually started following Telugu cinema. So post our shoot I watched Bhishma and I told him that I really liked it.
Yeah. సో చెక్ ఫిల్మ్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఈ చెక్ అంటేనే మనకు తెలుసు. సో ఫిల్మ్లో హోమ్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్, ఎవరికి చెక్ పెట్టబోతున్నారు? హైడ్, యూ షుడ్ హైడ్ ఇట్.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to reveal any details because every little detail is very crucial for the film.
Yes.
And check, the title is check because it's about a prisoner who becomes a grandmaster. He learns chess and he becomes a grandmaster. That's the idea of it.
Yeah.
So that's why the title check.
ఓకే.
But who gives check to who and who makes checkmate and all?
But
We have to watch the movie.
as of us audience, something behind you only.
I'm not saying anything.
That's okay. We'll eagerly waiting for
Yeah, me too.
to see the film. Yeah, exactly. So చంద్రశేఖర్ రిలేటి గారు ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఈ నరేషన్ ఇదంతా చెప్పారో ఫిల్మ్కి సంబంధించి, స్టోరీకి సంబంధించి, సో ఫస్ట్ మీ ఒపీనియన్ ఎలా ఉంది?
First of all, when it's a brilliant senior director who is approaching you, I wouldn't have even asked for a narration.
Okay.
I was like, it's Chandrasekhar reality, sir. Why would I ask for a narration?
Oh, no need to.
No need. I don't want it. I'm okay. I'm doing it. So, but he obviously, on the phone, he told me that, it's a very important character and I would prefer that you do it. So I think he pressured on the fact that, I want this girl to do this.
Okay.
And that's how I came. So I think when he wants me to do it and he has faith that I can do it,
ఓకే
I think that is like the most important thing. I couldn't ask for anything else. So
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
I'm like, no need of narration and also I'll come.
సూపర్. సో అంత ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉన్నారు మీరు అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ అంత ప్యాషనేట్గా. సో లవర్స్ డే తర్వాత అంత మీకు హ్యూజ్ ఫాలోయింగ్ అంతా వచ్చిన తర్వాత చాలా న్యూస్ బయటకు వచ్చాయి. లైక్ ఒక 3-4 ఫిల్మ్స్కి షీ సెడ్ ఓకే అన్నట్లు అలాగా. సో ఆ ఫిల్మ్స్ అన్ని అదంతా నిజమేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫిల్మ్స్ అన్ని
Not really, actually. I heard a lot of rumors the same way. One day I opened Instagram and I see that, you know, I'm doing a movie with Mahesh Babu Garu and all.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
And I'm like, when did this happen? Oh, maybe something is coming someday.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
But yeah, but I heard a lot of rumors that way, but I hadn't committed to anything. Check was the first movie that I committed to, and then I did another movie called Ishq. So these are the only 2 movies that I've done in Telugu as of now.
ఓకే. సో కమింగ్ టు యువర్ కో యాక్టర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది రకుల్ ప్రీత్ సింగ్ గారు. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది తనతో వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Actually, we didn't have any combination scenes together. Yeah.
ఒక్కటి కూడా లేదు
No,
కాంబినేషన్.
we didn't have any combination scenes together. But obviously, I watched a lot of her movies, and you know, I think it's a credit for me that I'm working with my first film. I'm working with such big stars.
యా. సో నార్మల్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ జరిగే ఉంటుంది కదా జనరల్లీ.
With her, no, I didn't even like, get the opportunity to meet her or you know talk to her yet.
ఓకే. స్కెడ్యూల్స్ అన్ని కూడా డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah, entirely different.
ఓకే. అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ ముహూర్తం అప్పుడు కానివ్వండి, అప్పుడు కూడా అసలు తనని మీట్ అవ్వలేదా?
No. We hadn't met because I think I shot for my portion 1.5 years back.
ఓకే.
So her portions came much later. So we never like got to meet.
ఓకే. సో కమింగ్ టు సాంగ్, గోవాలో షూట్ జరిగింది. సో ఆ సాంగ్ చూస్తుంటే అనిపిస్తోంది మంచి రొమాంటిక్ టచ్ ఉన్నట్లు. సో ఏం చెప్తారు?
I actually had fun. The most fun that I had was while I was shooting the song actually, because first of all it was Goa, and you know, beautiful place and you know, beaches and all that. So I had a really good time shooting for the song, and that was when I saw Nitin a little more, you know, on the happy, active side, because otherwise he used to be in like his zone. So during the song shoot is when like I saw him a little on the active side.
ఓకే.
And yeah, we had a really, actually the song itself was like really catchy. I really loved the song, and it was Shekhar Master who like choreographed it. So I was again a little tensed because you know top
Oh my God,
choreographer.
Shekhar Master.
Yeah, so I have a top choreographer and a wonderful dancer, and I didn't know, okay, will I fit into this? But then again, we had really, you know, nice, stylish dance sequences and all that.
ఓకే. జనరలీ శేఖర్ మాస్టర్ కొరియోగ్రఫీలో సాంగ్స్ అంటే దే షుడ్ బి అ సిగ్నేచర్ స్టెప్ లైక్ దట్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కెన్ వి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ అ సిగ్నేచర్ స్టెప్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ అండ్ నితిన్?
There's very limited dance sequences actually. It's
Okay.
mostly about, you know, the romance and
Montage,
everything,
like,
the
okay.
montage. So very limited dance, but then you guys will love it. The visual have like come out really well.
ఓకే. సో యాజ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ ఉంటుంది కదా చాలా మందికి డ్రీమ్స్ ఇట్లాంటి రోల్ అయితే చేయాలి అని చెప్పి లైక్ వైజ్. సో అలా చూసుకుంటే మీకు ఎటువంటి రోల్స్ చేయాలనిపిస్తోంది?
I actually want to like, I don't want to confine myself to, you know, just doing heroine characters or, you know, I'll only do as a heroine. I also want to like do really, you know, very like memorable
Challenging.
characters,
Okay.
which after watching a movie, I feel like that character should have an impact on the
Okay.
people, the audience. So even if it's not a heroine, I don't mind doing it.
Okay.
I just want to be a part of really good films, and I want my character to be, you know, memorable and impactful. Yeah.
ఓకే. సో మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ఫుల్ లెంత్ గ్లామర్ రోల్తో వస్తుందా ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్ అని చెప్పి. సో ఏం చెప్తారు వాళ్ళ కోసం?
Glamour part, I don't know, because I'll do whatever that I feel comfortable with. So even in this movie, even though I like share a very limited screen space, the character will be memorable and people will, you know, remember that character. So, and even in the coming movies, I want to, even if I'm doing a full-fledged movie, I want that character to be strong.
Okay.
So, after this, in March, my second movie, that is Ishq, is also coming out.
Okay.
So the song came out recently,
Exactly.
Anandamanandamatke. And for that also, chala response I got. So yeah, just waiting for it.
Yeah. So what about production? How production team, producers, etc.
So it's always the director's call that, you know, I want this person to play this character, but if there's not a strong production team that backs his decision, I don't think it would have been possible. So I would like to thank all the, you know, people in the production team, especially Ananda Prasad sir and, you know, everybody to they trusted sir and they gave me that opportunity. So I think it's a very big step that they took and I'm always thankful for that.
ఓకే సో జనరల్లీ మలయాళం ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వస్తున్నాను అన్నప్పుడు చాలా టెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ ఎలా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారో ఏంటో అని చెప్పి. సో అలా మీరు ఇక్కడ మిమ్మల్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవడం అంతా మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన దానికి ఈక్వల్గానే అయిందా? Is there any difficulties you faced or else?
Actually, I think, I don't know if I should be saying this, but people here have been more welcoming and warm towards me. I think generally Telugu people, they have this love and, you know, affection for me since my Wink happened. So from then itself, I've been receiving so much love from here. So I didn't have a second thought about it. I was sure that, you know, people will like it. So always the support and the warmth that I get from Hyderabad is different.
ఓకే సో ఆడియన్స్ పరంగా మేము అసలు క్వశ్చన్ అడగాల్సిన పని లేదు, బికాస్ దే ఆర్ ఈగర్లీ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్
crew.
Yeah, crew and cast.
They have been super supportive actually, because as you know, Telugu is not my strong point. So with the dialogues and all also, the direction team, they sat down with me, they read my lines with me, they made me understand what is the, you know, meaning of each sentence. So they made sure that, you know, I don't have any difficulty with it. So even in the entire team, everybody made me very comfortable. It was not oh, she's a new girl. There was not any, you know, sort of bias between me or any other artist.
Okay.
So they looked at me like someone from here only.
ఓకే సో ఎనీ మెమరబుల్ మూమెంట్? చెక్ షూటింగ్ టైం కానివ్వండి,
Check shooting. Oh, promotions have actually been, you know, I think fun, because I'm getting to see a side of Nitin where he's, you know, more talkative and very active and he's cracking jokes and all that. So recently I got to know that he's super active and he's very, you know, very bubbly on the set, but I never got to see that side of him because he was always in his character zone. He was always in that serious zone. So I actually thought that he's very, you know, silent, shy types. But then now during promotions, I got to see another side of him. So I'm like, oh, this is how it is.
This is reality. This is originality.
So now he's like, oh, now I'm finally out of the character. So now yeah.
He may feel hammaya. Because అదంతా చూస్తున్నాం కదా ట్రైలర్ అంతా కూడా such a serious role he played.
Because most of the days of shoot, he's been you know, confined in a jail space. So I think it took a lot out of him also.
Exactly.
So he's always been in that zone.
మీ పార్ట్ వరకే అనుకుంటా చాలా రొమాంటిక్ టచ్, లవ్ కానివ్వండి, ఇదంతా కూడా ఒక మంచి ఫీల్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అయితే అక్కడ ఉంది. సో
even during when we were shooting it together also, I think because he knows how the entire story goes, he was in that zone only.
Okay.
When he was shooting with me also, he used to be very focused. He used to come, he used to be okay, this is what I have to do, and then he would do. And because it's a serious movie, he used to be in that zone always. Even after cut, he would be in that zone. He would just come, he would do his thing, he'd be very focused, and then
ఓకే సో ఫర్దర్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో కూడా వస్తున్నారు, సో తెలుగు నేర్చేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు వరకు అయితే ఇంకా ఎటువంటి టెన్స్ అంత లేదు, అలవాటు అయిపోయింది కదా. You're able to
Now
speak
I'm
with
lo-
everyone,
yeah,
mingle.
I mean, now when I read something, I can like, even now if I'm like talking, I can like I can speak in broken Telugu. There won't be a connection between my sentences. So now when I read the dialogues, I'm like, okay, I read it and I know, okay, this is what it means.
Yeah.
Because basic vocabulary, if you catch, you can understand.
Exactly.
So when somebody is talking, I can understand if they use 5 words, I can understand 3 out of 5 words.
Okay.
Only small things I don't very important, big words and all I won't
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
So now that tension is not there because if I read something once or twice, I'll understand, I'll know it.
Exactly.
So I think eventually I'll learn.
ఎస్. సో ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్ ఈ చెక్ ఫిల్మ్లో ఎన్ని ఇమోషన్స్ పలికించారు? లైక్ మీ రోల్, ఆ స్కోప్ అంతా కూడా చూసుకుంటే ఎన్ని ఇమోషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అందులో, లైక్ మీ రోల్లో?
My role is actually it goes through a lot of emotions with Aditya. That is,
Okay.
Yatra and Aditya go through a lot of emotions together, and yeah, my character is very fun-loving, adventurous, and wild. She's very free-willed. She's
Okay.
She's happy to explore. She's like that kind of a person.
మీన్స్ మీ ఒరిజినల్ క్యారెక్టర్కి దగ్గరగా ఉంది అనుకోవచ్చా?
Yeah, we have a few similarities.
Okay.
Like I also like to explore. I'm also that very talkative, fun-loving type of person. But Yatra, I feel she's more adventurous and she's willing to go out of her comfort zone and do things. But me, I would say in real life, I would like to stay in my comfort zone. But otherwise, if people really push me, I take risks and like go out.
యా. సో అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ కూడా ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ అంటూ అండ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్లు అంటూ ఇలా కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ విధంగా కూడా చాలా క్రేజ్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కూడా మంచి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయితే ఇస్తుంది. సో అలా చూసుకుంటే ఆర్ యూ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు డూ ఇన్ దే?
Definitely, because the reach, the sort of reach that an OTT platform has is definitely much wider than just going to theaters or whatever. But I personally would definitely prefer to go watch something on the big screen because I am a movie buff and I have been like that. I have that craze for movies, so at least once a week I have to go watch something in the theaters. So I like it that way. But otherwise, I think theaters and OTT, they should go hand in hand because the sort of reach that a web series or a sort of OTT platform has is very, very huge.
Yeah.
And it's inevitable in today's and it's become so much easier because you can just sit and have everything at your fingertips. So I think it should go hand in hand.
ఓకే. సో ఫర్దర్లీ ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్ని మేము యాజ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్సే చూస్తామా, లేదంటే యాజ్ అ సింగర్, ఇంకా అదర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో కూడా కెన్ వి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్?
Definitely, because I would love to be both as a singer and an actor because
ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
I can only manage to dance. So
How could you say that you are a classical dancer, right?
I am trained in classical dancing,
Yeah.
Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam, but I think that I don't know, but I can manage to dance. Like
Yeah.
as I said, if I practice, I can make it happen. But
Okay.
I'm not like a spontaneous dancer. If
Okay.
you ask me to dance right away, I can't dance and all.
Yeah.
So that is because I have a little bit of stage fear and all.
Okay.
So yeah, singing has always been my forte. Like I think from pre-KG I've been learning classical music.
Exactly.
So singing is my forte. I'm super confident with that. But otherwise, singing, acting is my comfortable zone. Dancing also. I think eventually I'll grab it.
ఓకే. సో క్లాసికల్ మ్యూజిక్ సంబంధించి మీకు టచ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి విత్ దాట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఈ చెక్ ఫిల్మ్కి సంబంధించి ఆ మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్కి సంబంధించి ఆ వర్క్లో మీరేమన్నా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి లైక్ ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుండేదని కానివ్వండి, లేదంటే?
Not really, because I think maybe Chandu sir had a slight idea of making me sing Ninnu Chudakunda.
Oh.
But yeah, I think because like he sent me like a very, you know, small audio clipping, and then he was like, can you sing and send it to me? So I sang, and then he's like, this is sounding really nice.
Okay.
But then I don't know, maybe because they found a more suitable voice or something. But definitely now that I hear the song, I really love it, so I wouldn't change anything about it.
ఓకే బట్ ఇన్ సూన్ లైక్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ మేము చూస్తాం ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్ యాక్టర్, సింగర్, డాన్సర్, ఎక్సెట్రా వాట్ నాట్.
Let's see.
అండ్ జనరల్లీ చాలా మందికి ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత కొన్ని సర్నేమ్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి, యాడ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, వాళ్ళ సర్నేమ్ని మర్చిపోతారు ఇనీషియల్లీ. సో అలా చూసుకుంటే మీరు ఇంకా లైక్ అప్పుడే వస్తున్నారు, జస్ట్ ఒక్క ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ వేస్తున్నారు అనగానే మీకు వింక్ గర్ల్ అని చెప్పి సో ఇనీషియల్ వచ్చేసింది. ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
Initially, definitely I enjoyed that because, you know, people started accepting me, and they really loved that small sequence. But then later on, I think I just don't want to stay in that title. I want to, like, you know, grow more as an actor, as an artist. You know, people should see me for my performance, not just a winking thing. So I think as an actor, there's a lot more for me to, you know, explore, and, you know, there's a lot more for me to, you know, grow and everything. So yeah, definitely someday maybe some other surname will get.
Exactly. So you'll wait for that.
Yeah, let's wait for that.
సో కమింగ్ టు వెబ్ సిరీస్, ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ చూసారు, మూవీస్ చాలా చూసుంటారు కదా లాక్డౌన్ పీరియడ్లో. బాగా ఎక్కువగా నచ్చిన ఫిల్మ్స్ అవి ఏంటి?
Films, I actually watched so many of them, but I remember watching Surare Potru. That's a movie that I really liked. And as I said, Bhishma is a movie that I watched during lockdown. I watched Ala Vaikuntapuramlo.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of Telugu movies I watched.
ఓకే. సో ఎట్ ఏ టైం అంటే సైమల్టేనియస్గా మీరు కన్నడలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, మలయాళంలో ఓకే అది మీది మదర్ టంగ్, ఓకే ఫైన్, తర్వాత నా హిందీలో చేశారు, నాకు తెలుగు. సో సైమల్టేనియస్గా ఇన్ని ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు? మల్టీ టాస్కర్ అసలు, ఏ హ్యాండ్ విత్ 5 fingers అన్నట్టు, ఏ గర్ల్ విత్ మల్టీ లింగ్విస్టిక్ అనుకోవచ్చు.
I'm actually comfortable with Malayalam, Hindi, Tamil, and English. So these are the 4 languages I'm comfortable with. So I can speak no matter what. But Telugu and Kannada are 2 languages that I had no idea about.
Okay.
So Telugu even now I'm learning. So I'm catching, you know, few basic stuff and everything I'm catching up with. But Kannada, again, I did 1 movie. So again, I can follow what they're saying, but I can't speak.
Okay.
So these are the languages I'm trying to develop now.
ఓకే. సో ఫర్దర్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ని కూడా చూస్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు ఎవరివైనా సజెషన్స్ తీసుకుంటారా, ఎవరికైనా షేర్ చేయడం అలాగా, లేదంటే మీ ఓన్గానే చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా?
Definitely, I sit and discuss with my family, my manager, everybody, because in my family, my mom watches a lot of movies.
Okay.
Dad also watches quite a number of movies, and my brother. So all 3 of them watch different types of movies. So, you know,
Okay.
I have 3, and my grandparents also. So I have
Okay.
like 3 generations of people at my house.
Yes.
So I'll know what they like.
Okay.
So when I hear a story, I sit and discuss it with my dad, mom, my brother, and I'll get different sorts of feedbacks from them.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
And definitely I discuss it with my manager. So yeah, I take all the suggestions, and then if there's one strong point that I feel like, you know, oh, this I shouldn't miss,
ఓకే.
then I'll do it.
ఫస్ట్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆడియన్ మీరు ఆలోచిస్తారు,
Exactly.
నాకు ఎంతవరకు ఇది నచ్చుతుంది అని చెప్పి.
Exactly.
తర్వాత యాజ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ యూ ఎంటర్డ్ ఇన్ టు దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే. సో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిలీజ్ అయిన ఫిల్మ్స్ని చూసిన తర్వాత మీ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి వచ్చే కామెంట్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి?
That is the funniest part. Me and my family, we've not gone to a theatre or watched my movie till now.
ఓ.
Till now. Because when Ora Adar Love released, I was in London. I was shooting.
ఓకే.
So I never got to watch the movie. I was there for some 3 weeks.
ఓకే.
So I didn't get to watch the movie. So even my family, they didn't go because I was not there. My dad was with me in London. My mom was here. And I think my brother went with his friends and he watched. But otherwise, we've not, as a family, we've not gone and watched any of my movies together. I'm thinking this 26th it'll happen.
Yeah, should.
Yeah, so because on the 26th, so a lot of my friends are coming to Hyderabad just to watch Check.
Oh,
I'm sure we have a release in Kochi in Kerala, but they're coming to Hyderabad so that we get to watch it here.
yeah.
But my younger one's exams and all are going on.
Oh.
So yeah, so mum and he's there. So I think I'll go back home, watch one show with them,
Yeah.
and come here and watch one with my friends.
Very nice planning. Chinna rapid fire. Okay, say a single word answers
Okay.
about the questions. చెక్ మూవీ గురించి 1 word లో చెప్పాలంటే వాట్ డు యూ సే అబౌట్ చెక్?
Different.
హీరో నితిన్ గురించి మీ ఒపీనియన్?
In one word,
సే సింగిల్ వర్డ్ అబౌట్ నితిన్.
very calm.
వెరీ కామ్. ఆన్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్?
Both.
Both. ఓకే. సో మీ పేరు ముందు వింక్ గర్ల్ అనే పదాన్ని చేర్చడం ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
Happy.
హ్యాపీ. ఒంటరిగా ఏదైనా ఐలాండ్కి వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తే ఎవరిని తీసుకువెళ్తారు, ఇంకా ఏమేమి థింగ్స్ తీసుకెళ్తారు?
An island. I'll take my best friend.
బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్.
Huh.
ఓకే. ఒకవేళ మీరు యాక్ట్రెస్ కాకపోయి ఉంటే ఏమయ్యేవారు? విచ్ ప్రొఫెషన్?
I don't know.
అసలు ఆలోచన కూడా
I have not
చేయలేదా?
even thought about it.
ఓకే. సో బెస్ట్ హాలిడే స్పాట్?
Best holiday spot. I want to go to Maldives.
మాల్దీవ్స్.
Yeah.
ఓకే. సో మీరంటే చాలా ఇష్టపడే వ్యక్తి, లైక్ ప్రాణం పెట్టే వ్యక్తి అంటారు కదా,
Family and friends.
ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే. మీరు కొలిచే ఇష్ట దైవం, లైక్ గాడ్?
I wouldn't say I'm like on a very religious side, but I believe that there's some supernatural power up there. Favorite god, I would say, okay, my nakshatram is Rohini, so Krishna.
నౌ ఐల్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. జనరల్లీ చాలా మందికి ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, లైక్ వైజ్ ఐల్ ఆస్క్ ఫస్ట్ సైకిల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ గుడ్ ఆర్ బ్యాడ్? సైకిల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
Cycle. I actually
ఎంజాయ్డ్. ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్?
very frightening.
ఫస్ట్ క్రష్?
First crush
Age.
in school.
Age.
Third standard.
థర్డ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఓన్లీ? వావ్. ఫస్ట్ డైలాగ్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్?
Oh, it was an Adar Love. Yeah, when like Roshan asked me what my name is, I'll say Priya Warrior.
ప్రియా వారియర్.
That
ఓకే.
was my first.
సో ఫస్ట్ హార్ట్ బ్రేక్, ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ హార్ట్ బ్రేక్?
Sure, everybody has heartbreaks. First heartbreak, I think 11th or 10th.
ఆ స్టాండర్డ్. ఓకే. దేవుడు ప్రత్యక్షమై ఏదైనా వరం కోరుకో నేను తీర్చుతా అంటే ఏ వరం కోరుకుంటారు?
Everybody in the world should live with love and peace.
యా. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్, దట్ వాజ్ రియలీ నైస్ టాకింగ్ విత్ యూ. సో
Thank
ఆల్ ద
you.
వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్ చెక్ అండ్ ఫర్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ టూ.
Thank you so much.
ఎస్. సో చూసారు కదా, ఇది మన క్యూట్ ముద్దుగుమ్మ ప్రియా ప్రకాష్ వారియర్తో స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. కీప్ వాచింగ్. నమస్తే.